Good day to our graduate students, respected speakers, faculty members, and the entire World City Colleges academic community. I regret that I am not able to join you live today as I am currently fulfilling an equally important academic engagement in India. But it is truly an honor to be part of this meaningful webinar on human resource management in organization, its strategies, challenges, and best practices. Even from afar, I remain deeply connected to our learners and fully supportive of initiatives that strengthen your professional and leadership competencies. You have just heard valuable insights from our distinguished speaker representing the private sector and various levels of government. Their discussions highlight an important reality. Human resource management is no longer a purely administrative functions, but a strategic force that shapes organizational culture, service delivery, employee well-being, and long-term sustainability. Whether in business, national agencies, or local government units, human resource professionals today are expected to be ethical leaders, data-informed decision makers, and champions of people-centered governance. As graduate students, many of you are already practitioners or future leaders in your respective fields. I encourage you to reflect on how the lesson from today's sessions apply directly to your own workplaces. Consider how effective recruitment, fair performance management, continuous learning, and employee engagement can transform organizations, especially in times of uncertainty, digital disruption, and increasing public accountability. So what you learn here should not remain theoretical. It should translate into better policies, better systems, and better treatment of people. At World City Colleges, we believe that advanced education must prepare you not only for career advancement, but also for responsible leadership and service to society. So your participation in webinars like this reflects your commitment to professional growth and lifelong learning. Continue to ask critical questions, share experiences during open forums, and challenge yourself to apply best practices in your real world context. I congratulate the organizers, speakers, and student leaders who made this webinar possible. To our graduate students, may this session inspire you to become HR leaders who are competent, ethical, and compassionate. Thank you for your time, your dedication, and your continued trust in World City Colleges. I wish you a productive and enriching continuation of the program. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayong lahat. God bless everyone.